Hey, it's your boy Shaun, and this is Go. Now, today's episode of Golden Opportunities, I don't want to waste any time because I really don't have much. I'm working, and I'm trying to get these videos produced as quickly and as thoroughly as possible without losing any type of quality. And I really don't want the video to drag on when we doing what I'm doing right now, and that's running my mouth. So, on today's episode of Go, I want to talk about the 720S Spider. Y'all know from my latest McLaren video that they announced the Speedtail, and last year around this time they announced the Senna. Well, a few days ago they announced the 720S Spider. Now the new 720S, a little bit of the features: the drop top, because this is a convertible, goes down in 11 seconds. That's insanely fast, and you can drop the top at a speed of 31 miles per hour, so you don't have to be at a dead stop, something like the older sports cars from a past bygone generations, and you don't have to be going dirt slow, and this car doesn't lose any speed or any power. Now this car also has glass flying buttresses, so you can have more visibility out of the back of the car, and it has an electrochromatic, hope I'm saying that right, glass panel for the roof. And of course the doors are also changed. They're similar but not quite similar. They don't come up in the butterfly effect because of the roof no longer being where it is, and the windscreens forward a little bit. Now I don't usually go into much details about specifics with the cars because that's not really what Golden Opportunities is about. I'll talk about that when of course, I say this always, finally get my hands on a car. I don't know when that's gonna be or if that's ever gonna happen, but I like to leave my opinions about the specs and how the car drives from when I'm actually able to drive the car. So with that said, what you want to know is if McLaren missed their golden opportunity with the Spider. And I'll have to say, no, the 720S is amazing. It's crazy, insane, fast. You see some of the other YouTubers who own that car and how insane it is, and you know that this drop top version, convertible version, is going to be just as insane. Of course, the price also goes up about 20 or 30,000, which is, I guess, nothing to the people that can afford the car. But then we get into the whole depreciation of these cars, which McLaren owners worried from the last generation, because they're always bringing out a newer, better version of that car a year or so after they announced the car. Before, they don't give their cars a chance to seem like they're special, but you pay that money and you expect to get a return. If you plan on selling it, there's no return. If you have the car, hey, you're gonna lose money on it. It's not a special collector's item if it's not a Senna or a Speedtail. If it's just I don't want to call it the base model, but the regular, everyday average production car from McLaren, then you're likely going to see a big hit from the depreciation because they bringing out better cars, right after. And it happens, I don't know, for collectors that might make them shy away from buying any new sports cars from McLaren, but for us enthusiasts, as I always say, it's great for us, and it helps push the technology wise the industry forward, because people have to compete with those crazy cars that they're bringing out. So that's always good for us. And with that said, I'd like to bring this episode to a close. I don't know if the episode was shorter, but the way I'm saying stuff and just getting that information out there, even though it's not the best information, it is what it is. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try to do better next time, and hopefully when I have a day off or so, I'll be able to put some better quality and more detailed videos out. but this is what I gotta do for now. With that said, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, dislike the video. If you want to see what I got planned next, come see what I got planned next. I got a lot of stuff for the channel. I want you guys to be there with me. Alright, I'll catch you next time.